Have you ever felt someone pull away from you? Not by leaving the room, but by going emotionally quiet. They're there. They talk. They respond. But the warmth is gone. You might notice they stop sharing. They stop reassuring. They stop showing care the way they used to. And suddenly, you feel like you're trying harder just to get back to normal. This can feel confusing because nothing obvious happened. No big fight, no clear reason. But the connection changes. Emotional withholding is when someone slowly pulls back their warmth, attention, or care to create distance or control. It doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks calm on the outside. They may become polite but distant, short but not rude, present but not emotionally available. And you might start wondering, did I do something wrong? Why are they different now? What do I need to fix? That's the impact. You start working harder to restore the closeness. You try to earn back the warmth that used to be freely given. Over time, this can make you feel responsible for the emotional connection in the relationship. You may feel like it's your job to bring things back to normal. If this happens once in a while, it could just be stress, overwhelm, or someone needing space. Everyone pulls back sometimes, but if it becomes a pattern, where warmth is given, then taken away, closeness appears, then disappears, that can create emotional confusion. In some repeated situations, this kind of emotional withholding can be part of a narcissistic pattern. Not a label, not a diagnosis, just a behavior pattern that can show up over time. Healthy relationships look different. When someone needs space, they usually say so. When something feels off, they communicate. Warmth doesn't get used as a reward, and distance isn't used as a message. Real connection stays steady, even when people disagree or need time. If you recognize this pattern, it doesn't mean you've done something wrong. It may just mean you're noticing a shift in how emotional closeness is being handled. And noticing patterns is where clarity begins. Because when warmth gets pulled away without explanation, people often start trying harder, and that's where the next pattern can quietly begin. When the closeness comes back, but the expectations keep changing. This is referred to as moving the goalposts. If this helped put words to your experience, like the video and subscribe to the channel. This channel exists to help you recognize narcissistic and manipulative patterns calmly, clearly, and without blame, so you can trust yourself again. In the next video, we're going to explain why the goalposts keep moving. Click here to watch.